Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be installing the Zaag Invisible Shield onto this iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the process is the same on pretty much all these phones. If you did see, I recently installed the Protect On brand onto this same phone, and the sheet of glass was a little bit thinner, and it did crack pretty easily. It was my fault. I was putting a tripod on, and it clicked onto the screen just a little too hard, but anyway, the Invisible Shield one from Zaag seems to be just a little bit thicker, so quick review there. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Very simple. And the first thing I like to do is get a new microfiber rag here and just wipe down the screen. And so this is the one that we're going to be installing, the Invisible Shield, and this is for the iPhone 6.7-inch screen for the Pro Max, so it's good that they already have this out. And so we're going to go ahead and open this up and just pull out the little tray here. And I have a few screen protector videos, and they're slightly different on how they have their tabs and everything, but for the most part it's all the same process for installing. So we're going to go ahead and wipe this down first with a little bit of Windex, and next the kit comes with an alcohol swipe one, so we're going to go ahead and just wipe this one down here. And after that, they give you an included microfiber towel, so we'll use that to help clean everything up and make sure that there's no dust or fingerprints or debris or anything. And if you want to blow on it lightly to get rid of any dust, you can also do that. But as you can see, this does a pretty good job. No real dust particles or anything left after that. They do include as well one final step of a sticker, and so this is to capture any other dust, so you can take this off and basically just stick it on the screen and then just move your way down, and it should be picking up any more of the dust particles or anything that could be left. Again, we just want to make sure that there's nothing trapped underneath the screen protector. And so next you're just going to pull up on this tab here, and you are left with the yellow film, which has the actual protector on it. And you can see on the top and bottom it has two tabs. So we're going to be holding on top of those to lower this down on top of the phone. And now it's sticky on the back. Make sure you don't touch it or drop it or do anything. From here, we're centering it directly over the phone, and as you set it down, you can see it start to go to work and kind of even out. But it will leave some bubbles behind, so just draw a line with your finger and lightly work those bubbles to the corners the best that you can, working from the center outward. Inevitably, there may be some small bubbles left over that you can't do anything about, and they will dissipate over time, so don't worry about them too much. But the best that you can, try working them to the edges for a minute and see what you can get out to the sides. Okay, next we're just going to pull up on the yellow tab, and it does come up kind of firmly, so you might want to put your finger down on the protector itself and then just pull this away. And so here we are, two little bubbles that are left, and after you pull that off, you can work it a little more with the microfiber towel that they've given you. But again, most of them will dissipate over time. So here's how it looks. You just spend your time wisely as you hover over it and try to get it the best that you can, and just drop it straight down on there. It really helps with those tabs on the top and bottom. And this has the two little bubbles there. They did disappear. They're not on there anymore as I'm recording this. So everything turned out really good. So anyway, that's how easy it is to install. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the video description for the other videos I have on the phones and everything. Screen protector install, battery replacement, all kinds of stuff. So please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And I'll include some links in the video description of where you can purchase these things. Thanks, guys.